Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to the live show. Happy Tuesday, everybody. I was green in my account this morning, took a couple trades, then I went red, and so now I feel like crying. Let's go check out some charts. I am not a financial advisor either, so the things I say and do here are for fun, entertainment, educational purposes, informational purposes, if you will. Welcome to Eva Trades. Thanks for joining me here today. Yeah, I took a few trades this morning pre-market and got up. I was up $5, a quarter of the way to my daily goal, and then had one trade that it gave it all back. It was right here on SQL when I got in here for this break, and it dropped back down and I got stopped out, took a $7 loss. So starting my day out down 225. I don't like that, but that's just the way it goes sometimes. Here's my progress so far. 16 days. I am up $207. I was like, I am not up $11. $207. Gonna go over the game rules here real quick. I'm done if I hit my max loss of $40. I'm done if I get back half after hitting my daily goal. I won't take more than 4 positions to start the day, and I won't take more positions than my max loss allows. If you get tired of hearing that, you can just skip through it. So this is me right here. I don't know if you watched the video of the road to $1 million, but you can watch that and I'll explain all this stuff to you in that video. Let's take a look at some charts. We have 5 minutes to go until the market opens. So SQL was on the gap scan today. Leading gapper up 237%. Wow, that's a lot. I was looking at the larger time frame thinking that we might be consolidating pretty soon here because of this 15-minute red bar here. But I don't know. We're starting to make a move back up towards $2. So maybe we won't. I was thinking 2-bar pullback, maybe more. We haven't really formed a support on the way up on that 15-minute, but we do have a 5-minute uptrend. So that's definitely bullish. So we'll look to try to hold $1.73. It is a cheaper stock. I don't like the cheaper ones, but if it gets up above 2, I like it a little better. And that's where I traded it, was when it was getting above 2 and it just couldn't hold. All right, so on this one, just going sideways. So we'll wait and see. We have a little 1-minute uptrend here. So as long as we can continue that, maybe we top out around 2 and pull back before we break through. Or maybe this is a lower high and we get a lower low and begin that 15-minute consolidation. KPRX, second leading gapper, sideways consolidation, lower highs and higher lows. 15-minute time frame. Let's see, what is that? So we had a couple of breakouts here and just couldn't hold up. So we got higher lows though on that 15-minute time frame. Inside bar on the hourly, not surprising with this equilibrium. So as we tighten up into the bell, we'll see if we get the breaks, the breakouts or breakdowns when the bell rings. Boyle here pulling back. Yeah, it's 5-minute downtrend, so consolidating on the 15. I don't know, Boyle wasn't on the gap scan, but I saw it on the high of day. And I traded it quickly, made a little bit on it. Take a look at the overall market here. Got 2 minutes to go till the market opens. So I'm going to pull up SPY. That's not SPY. What? Okay, so on SPY, we do have a 4-hour downtrend on SPY. Bulls want to hold that support, that low of yesterday, and change this trend back to the bulls by breaking. If we break over 411.29 today, that would give me pretty good confidence that our daily higher low has been set on this pullback. So healthy consolidation, it's a daily uptrend. No worries there. Just looking for the bottom. What does that hourly look like as far as the RSI? Well, we could come down quite a ways. The RSI It's not anywhere close to being oversold yet. So I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so back over to the main screen. Yeah, I am watching CHGG here. It's a down gapper, but it's bouncing right now. See that? Pretty big drop this morning. And maybe we'll see a little bit of upside movement, a little more upside movement on it. Who knows? So I have it there. I'm watching it just in case. All right, here we go. SQL, higher low, higher high. So that 1 minute uptrend continuing. Will we top out below 207 or just break straight through? We're going to find out pretty quick. 15 seconds till the market opens. I'm ready to go. And there's the bell. I'm going to mark out a few support and resistance levels here just to... So there we topped out. We are pulling back a little bit on SQL. Checking my candle ranges, make sure I'm ready to go. Okay. So we did consolidate, and now it looks like we might break out. Don't tell me. Wow. I tried to buy SQL, but we got halted with a lot of buying power behind it. My God, I don't think I've ever seen that many orders on the bid. I looked down, I couldn't even tell you, it was like 20,000 whatever. So yeah, so halted on SQL. I am expecting resumption higher on that with as many buy orders as I saw there. I am in a trade over here and selling it there. That wasn't so bad. Now I'm green on the day. I bought that bear break, bull break scenario on the 5 minute. We had this inside bar bear break and then it was breaking bull. I'm not going to re-enter. I like the second entries, but I've been kind of getting screwed on those lately, so I'm going to hold off on that. KRPX here. Buying that dip. That's a second entry. So, and I'm taking it quick because my stop loss was pretty tight. Going to readjust that. Hopefully I get another chance here to jump in this. Whoa, that was a big pullback. I don't think I want to jump in that. Glad I sold when I did. See a bunch of red hands in the chat. I'm not sure what that is. I was going to try to pronounce the name. I don't want to get it wrong, though. I'm not good at that kind of thing. So halt resumption, but thanks for all the hands. I guess those high fives. SQL. So we're halted almost right away as soon as the bell rang. So I would expect resumption right at 635. That candle range is 16 cents. I have my ranges down here. I have mine set at 15 cents. So I'm happy with that. So I'm going to look at maybe if I put a limit order in, go back up here to the chart, kind of see what that looks like. I put a limit order to buy here. I could move it up. My stop loss is below the low. Yeah, we'll probably open higher. It probably won't even get touched. But on the event that it opens and drops down for a second, maybe it grabs me, fills my order, and takes off and get a little bit of moolah. Meanwhile, watching CHGD, so it is giving us some follow through. We have on the 15-minute higher lows and higher highs. Now failing here on this higher low. Well, that was a lower low, And now we're breaking to a higher high. So a little bit of weirdness going on there. So I'm not watching it that closely. I'm going to go back over here to the main screen. KPRX breaking the lows. Get rid of some of these lines. BBBY hitting the scan. BBBY was down this morning, but looks like it's bouncing right now, coming up to the VWAP. What am I sitting at on the day? I'm up $5.17. That's about where I was pre-market before I took that big loss. BBBY, you dirty dog. Look at him go. SPY, what are we doing, SPY? Just pulling back. Let's look at the smaller time frame. Oh, get back over here. Getting ready for halt resumption here, maybe. So if we open higher, I might look for a pullback. Something else just got halted. I heard it. BBBY got halted. Yeah, if we open higher, I'm going to cancel this order, and I might just try to buy it. Boyle is breaking out there, but I want to watch SQL. So I would have thought it would have resumed by now. So I'm canceling my order. I'll look to buy the dip right there. It's popping back up. Well, I made back some of what I lost this morning. I'm buying the dip again, and I'm going to sell it again right away. Great. Back to green on the stock. And halted again. I should have held it. Dang it, man. Oh, breaks my heart. But I'm up 13 bucks on the day. I'm looking for 20. Gosh, I probably could have got it if I'd held that. SQL, yeah. So we're halted on SQL. We're halted on BBBY. Let's go back over here now. Actually, I want to take a look here at Boyle. What do we got going on? So on the 15-minute on Boyle, I'm looking for a lower high. We pulled back enough here that I'm not expecting a break straight through the high. If we do break straight through the high, I would expect some kind of consolidation. I don't know, though. It's looking pretty strong. Psychological 650 up here. Look at the 5-minute again. I don't know at this point where I would get into a trade. 5-minute pivot at 634. Yeah, I don't know. At this point, it's so extended. I just don't know that I'd want to jump on this. I just don't got the stones to do it. Looking at SPY, I wanted to see that 5-minute time frame. Okay, so just chopping around. Whipping around on SPY. Nothing definite there yet. There's BBBY. I'm actually going to put that over here. Set up some parameters on this. So 30 cents on that candle. I don't know that I'll trade BBBY. It's tricky because it's down on the day. See the larger time frame. We broke to a lower low. I don't know. So here's the pullback now on Boyle. So looking for consolidation. I'm wondering about KPRX. It's a bear flag right now. Sometimes these things can break out. Keep an eye on it. So resumption on SQL should be at, well, right about 240. Resumption on BBBY was halted at 635, so 640. SQL was halted at 636 actually. So 640 on BBBY, 641 on SQL. Those are the resumption times, providing their 5-minute halts. So take a look at CHGG. I'm tempted to want to jump in this, but I'm not gonna. Yeah, we had that rejection up here. I just don't know that I trust it. So looking for a higher low on Boyle. I don't really honestly like that. KPRX, I wanted to get in this, but now it's pulling back. So could be this bear flag is going to follow through. You can kind of see the bear flag there. Classic textbook bear flag. CCCL is up on the scan. Buying Boyle there now. I want to see if it breaks. Looking for that move through the high. See, we had that bear break, bull break. That's what's got me interested, and I'm selling it right away. Because I'm a little worried about a fake out. Ooh, I'm so close to my daily goal. I'm at $19. So BBBY, halt resumption over here. And we opened higher, and then now we're moving back down. It's possible we might get halted going down here. And this is why I didn't want to trade this one, because it is not an uptrend overall. On the larger time frame, it's a downtrend. And SQL getting halted on the way down. Look at that. Boom. Just like that. I'm going to buy this for the break through the VWAP. It's tricky. It's very tricky. It's not breaking. I think I might get out. This makes me so nervous. I hate holding these. Should have broke by now, in my opinion. I'm out. I'm just going to take the loss on it. I don't want to hold that, so I give back a couple dollars off the top. So, oh, BBBY didn't get halted, but certainly pulled back pretty good. So CCL trending up. And Boyle continuing higher now, breaking over 651. We have that higher low on the 1-minute time frame, looking good. Bulls in full control here. So I'm going to get rid of 651. We have a new high of day at 654. This bear flag here so far not following through. You know, if we break KPRX, if we break 521, I might try it again. No, I still don't like the overall larger time frame on it. It's kind of ugly. Look at Boyle. No, CCL over here. I don't know. Maybe there's something there. Candle ranges are right around 10 cents. Look at CHGG here. I'm going to try it. And I'm taking the profit. I'm not going to hold that one. Only made $1. I'll jump back in it. I like what I see. Got to break this resistance. Got to break it. Making me nervous now. Come on. Need some buyers to step in here. There we go. And I'm selling it right there. Boom. Just like that. 1969. Can I call that? Can I say that I'm at my daily goal? Can I? Yes, I can. Oh, you didn't see that. I took a little trade over here on a bounce and I made like, I don't know, 60 cents, whatever, a dollar. I'm up $20.69. I'm at my daily goal. That is all I ask for. I know that seems a little ridiculous, but if you watch my Road to $1 Million video, my daily goal is 20 bucks. I'm looking to make $500 to complete phase 1. And then I can move on to phase 2, where my daily goal becomes $50. And I'm looking to make 1,000. And then I'll look to make 2,000, and then 4,000, and then 8, and then 16, then 32, and 64. So just bumping up my risk, and eventually that's going to be mine. All right. Well, I'll keep watching the charts. Maybe there's something else to trade. I hope you're doing well in your trading. Hope you're following your strategy. Look at, we got that bear break now on that bear flag on KPRX. Go back over here, take a look. What is happening? I do kind of like CHGG. I'm just remembering we had this breakout that failed here, so I'm kind of being cautious there. I'm like, if I get in this, I really don't want to hold it. Now, if we can get over 1710 and hold, maybe there's something there, but got to keep in mind, overall larger trend, we are just looking for a bounce. We're not looking for anything incredible to happen here. That's not to assume that something incredible can't happen. I'm just saying that overall downtrend is bearish. So the odds of seeing high upside momentum on a stock like that is kind of against us here. Let's take a look at the overall market and see what we're looking like. So a bounce on the 5-minute. I'm going to zoom back out here again and remember. Okay, so on the day we opened, we opened flat, we opened sideways. It's an inside bar right now. Had that doji candle yesterday. So that's on the daily. 4 hour, we're looking for that 4 hour higher low. Scouting a 4 hour higher low. Anything above 408.10 is a higher low. We've definitely pulled back here enough that we could see a tightening range. Maybe into tomorrow, possibly. But we'll see how that goes. Hourly, it's an hourly downtrend at the moment. Yesterday we were choppy, but right now we've got this lower high and a lower low. So that is, we had a little equilibrium here, lower low though. So a bounce from here, we'd be looking for a lower high. Whoops. Just tightening up. I heard my scanner tell me there's another halt. We'll have to take a look at that in a second. So right now I'd be watching that 5-minute, looking for a 5-minute uptrend to tell us that the hourly temporary bottom is in and a bounce might be underway. What got halted? KPRX, really? Oh my God. Check that. So that bear flag, I wish I would have been watching this. I was too busy looking at SPY. Man. I missed a golden opportunity there. I would have gotten in this when it broke over 521 because that is extremely bullish when you have a bear break of a bear flag and then it turns around and goes back up. That is good stuff right there. Now on SQL, when we resume, which I'm sure we'll resume lower, I wonder if we resume at 207 and we get a bounce off 207. We might get halted if it drops that far, but I'm just curious if we get a bounce off 207. And declining volume going into this halt. Wow, that's just incredible. I am so bummed out that I missed that. CCCL taking off. We do have some momentum here in the market today. I am in a trade on CCL here. Maybe a little early. Looking for that break. Yeah. I thought it was going to go there. I was trying to get a jump on it, but I did make a couple dollars. So up 22.90, 22.91 there. Yeah, see, I should have held that. Could have been adding to it. It's okay. So I'm at a point in my trading right now where, according to my rules, I'm done if I give back half after hitting my daily goal. So I've hit my daily goal. So if I have one full loss of $10, I have to be done for the day. So that's why I'm selling quick. I don't want to have that big loss. So we have an inside bar on CHGG, a tightening range, high, low, looking for a lower high. Then I'd be looking for a higher low. I had actually a bear break, bull break on this inside bar here. Little pullback on CCL. Is that a buy opportunity? Possibly. SQL. Okay, so SQL resuming way lower. I hope to hell that none of you were in that trade. At least if you were, I hope you were short. Because then you're making a killing. But yeah, we did not bounce from 207 at all. Looks like we opened here. We did bounce a little bit, but then dropped. Boyle. I want to buy that. I just don't feel it. So I think CCL, CCL's it's moving up, but we need a pullback on the 5-minute. So we need to confirm a 5-minute uptrend. BBBY is just going sideways, as is CHGG. So we have no direction on either of those. Although CHGG looking like it might want to do something here. I just don't want to buy the breakout on it after what happened over here. KPRX going sideways this morning. But maybe about to give us some direction. Boyle starting to make its move up, but we do need to see a 5-minute higher low and higher high to confirm that we have a 5-minute uptrend. Well, technically, we do have a 5-minute uptrend. This is a higher low. It's higher than this last low. So, okay. All right, there we go on KPRX. Resuming, coming back down. A lot of volume on that candle. Are we going to halt going down now? So we broke the high. A lot of selling up there. And look at CHGG. We broke over 1691. I still don't trust it. I might be interested in a dip buy if it were to flush down here all of a sudden. I'm expecting CHGG to break through the high but flush back down. Here's a look at the other three over here. So still trading sideways on KPRX. I almost got into BOIL on this candle, but I held back. Glad I did at the moment. So we do have this new 5-minute candle. Gonna trade here. There we go. Made another $1. Well, I'm not making a lot of progress, just little bits at a time, but I'm afraid if I keep going, I'm going to end up giving back a bunch because I'm not holding. And so at this point, I think I kind of want to maybe, call her a day. Today's date is the 7th of February. And I'm up 23.76, and that's a nice little green candle there on my P&L. I'm up $231 now. 23.76, and then I go over here and I just enter the same thing in. I've got a very complicated system here. And there we go. And that updated actually these dates here as far as my finish dates go. March 7th now instead of March 9th. So I can take a look at right here my points. And so I had 1.2 points today. Anytime I make $20 or more, I'm above 1 point. My average right now, average points, 0.7. I'm trying to get up to an average of 1. I think that would be amazing. Okay, well, that's going to do it for me. Was I even on? Yeah, you could see that. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for the like. I appreciate that. I see that one like on there. Thank you. I hope you have a good rest of your day. And thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today. I know I certainly did. So happy trading. Have a good rest of your Wednesday. Bye-bye.